8.7 magnitude earthquake rocked the west coast of Sumatra Island this morning. The powerful earthquake caused by the shifting of the tectonic plates in the megatrust zone caused panic in several areas, including Padang, Bengkulu, and surrounding area. The Meteorology, Climatology, and Geophysical Agency state that the epicenter of the earthquake was at a depth of 20 kilometers below sea level, around 115 kilometers from the west coast of Sumatra. This earthquake was one of the largest in this region in the past decade. The megatrust zone, which is the meeting point between the Indo-Australian plate and the Eurasian plate, is known to have the potential to trigger large earthquake with the risk of tsunami. This megatrust earthquake has the potential to trigger of tsunami, and we have issued an early warning to the community along the west coast of Sumatra, including the Mentawai Island and Lampung. The local government has instruction evacuation in several areas at high crest of a tsunami. Tsunami warning sirene have also been sounded at several evacuation points to remind residents to immediately evacuation to high ground. The public is urged to remain calm and follow direction from authorities and evacuation signs. Initial reports indicate that several buildings in Padang City were damaged, while communication in several coastal areas were cut off due to the earthquake. SAR teams and the Regional Disaster Management Agency (BPDB) have been deployed to evaluate the impact of the earthquake and assess affected residents. The megatrust zone in West Sumatra and Southern Java is one of the most active in the world. The public need to understand that this earthquake is not an unexpected event, but is part of the natural dynamic in the region. Meanwhile, the Ministry of Social Affairs and the Indonesian Red Cross have mobilized emergency assistance in the form of food, tents, and medical supplies for the affected victims. Temporary evacuation centers have been set up at several points, and medical teams have also been prepared to anticipate injury. BMKG continue to monitor development in the situation and will provide a regular update. Residents throughout coastal area of Indonesia, especially along the west coast of Sumatra and southern Java, are urged to remain vigilant and follow official information from authorities. Here is the latest information about megatrust earthquake that I can convey. I'm Shakila Almira Pasha. I will take my leave. That's all. Thank you.